Hey there, welcome to Master English. My name is Tyler. Today we're going to cover the next set of vocabulary from the first section of the International Phonetic Alphabet, the IPA single tone sounds. Then we'll cover some sample sentences, so let's get going. These are schwa sounds. Please repeat after me. About, address, animal, banana, camera, celebrate, chicken, chocolate, cousin, and doctor. Now let's try some short sentences with these words. Once again, please repeat after me. I'm reading a book about animals. Number 2, can we talk about your project? Number 3, she was excited about the trip. Okay, the next word is celebrate. Number 1, we will celebrate her birthday tomorrow. Number 2, they like to celebrate every holiday. Number 3, let's celebrate the team's success. The next word is family. Number 1, my family loves to travel together. Number 2, she invited her whole family to the party. Number 3, we spend weekends with family. Now for the word problem. Number 1, there's a problem with the printer. Number 2, can you help me solve this problem? Number 3, the math problem was hard to understand. Great. The next word is together. Number 1, we went to the park together. Number 2, let's work together on the project. Number 3, they sat together during lunch. Excellent. You did it. Let's go over our vocabulary once more. About, address, animal, banana, camera, celebrate, chicken, chocolate, cousin, doctor. Excellent. You're doing awesome. Be sure to check out more of our Master English videos, books, products, Patreon, and social media to achieve access to exclusive content that'll help you master English even faster. The links are in the description. Thanks a lot. This is Tyler with Master English. Catch ya in the next video. Laters.